Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play on Bet365 using a Windows device. Unfortunately, Bet365 does not have a desktop app that we can download on a Windows device, so it has to be web-based using an internet browser. For me, I'm using Google Chrome because it works absolutely fine. Go to Google, type in Bet365, and also I will put the exact link in the description as well, because sometimes there are scams and there are dodgy websites, bad websites, and also as well, when you type Bet365 into Google, the first few links might be sponsored advertisements from different companies or Bet365 themselves. You want to scroll past those and go to the first organic link, www.bet365.com. That is the official website. From there, click into that link. As I said, it'll be in the description. And this is where you can actually start betting and logging in. You can either go over here to the right hand side to the join button, or this is only if you have not created your account yet, or if you have created your account, go to the login section right there and type in your username and password and start playing on Bet365. Anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it has been helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.